How to unblock condenser coil is a crucial tutorial for maintaining the efficiency and longevity of your air conditioning or refrigeration system. The condenser coil is a vital component that dissipates heat from the system. And when blocked, it can lead to reduced performance, increased energy bills, and even system failure. To begin, turn off the power to the system to ensure your safety while working on the condenser coil. Locate the condenser coil, usually found at the back or top of the unit, and remove any protective covering or grill to access the coil. Next, inspect the coil for any visible blockages such as dirt, dust, or debris. Use a soft bristled brush or a vacuum cleaner with a gentle suction setting to remove any loose debris from the coil surface. Be careful not to damage the delicate fins on the coil. For more stubborn blockages, mix a solution of mild detergent and warm water, and use a soft cloth to gently wipe down the coil. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that can damage the coil or other system components. After cleaning the coil, use a garden hose with a spray nozzle to rinse away any remaining dirt or debris. Be cautious not to spray water directly into the electrical components or other sensitive areas of the system. Once the coil is clean, use a fin comb to straighten any bent or damaged fins, ensuring proper airflow and heat dissipation. Finally, replace any protective covering or grill, and restore power to the system. Regular maintenance of the condenser coil is essential to prevent blockages and ensure optimal system performance. It is recommended to clean the coil every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage and environmental conditions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively unblock your condenser coil, improve system efficiency, and extend its lifespan. Remember to always refer to your system's user manual for specific maintenance instructions. And consider consulting a professional if you are unsure or uncomfortable with the cleaning process.